How do you make sure your embroidery design fits the hoop perfectly without going over the edge? The secret lies in the very first step of Institch pattern setup, choosing the right embroidery hoop. Once your hoop is set, your doodle area is mapped exactly one-to-one with your real machine hoop. First, open the Institch interface and tap the blue New icon in the top right corner to create a brand new design. You will be taken to the Embroidery Hoop Setup panel. In the upper left corner, you can add a preset hoop, create your own customer size, and even preview the upcoming and fabric feature, which is definitely something to look forward to. Let's focus on Add Embroidery Hoop. Institch gives you two main preset categories, Default and Multi Hoop. Under Default, you will find all the standard hoop size you'd expect, plus 4 commonly used hoop types for PooLin embroidery machines. Super convenient if you are using those models. And if you are a multi-hoop user, just switch over to that tab. Institch includes almost all of the popular multi-hoop size, so you can pick yourself with a single click. If the size you need isn't listed, no worries, scroll down to Customer Size. Choose your measurement unit, enter your exact dimensions, then hit OK in the top right corner to save your customer hoop. Quick note: if you are only here to doodle for now and don't want to choose a hoop yet, simply tap Skip. You will jump straight into the canvas. And yes, you can always come back later. If you change your mind mid-design, just click End in the top left corner and select Change Embroidery Hoop. You will instantly return to the hoop selection panel. Alright, once you have chosen the hoop that fits your project, tap OK. Institch will take you straight into the Doodle workspace. From here, all your creative magic will stay safely inside the hoop area you selected. Enjoy designing. So go ahead and fire up Institch and start creating something that's truly yours. I will be sharing more Institch tips and tools soon. See you in the next one.